Did you know there's only one person in the Bible who went to heaven in a whirlwind of fire? Let me tell you about Elijah's amazing last day on earth. Elijah was walking with his student Elisha, visiting all the prophet schools. Everyone whispered, "This is Elijah's final day." But where was he going? They reached the Jordan River and something incredible happened. Elijah took off his special cloak and struck the water. Whoosh! The river split in two, just like when Moses parted the Red Sea. They walked across on dry ground. Suddenly the sky rumbled. Elisha looked up and gasped. Horses made of fire pulling chariots of flames came swooping down from heaven. A mighty whirlwind spun between the two friends. Up, up, up went Elijah, carried to heaven without ever dying. His cloak fell down, and Elisha caught it. Now Elisha had double the power. God rewards his faithful servants in amazing ways. When we serve God with all our hearts, just like Elijah did, God has incredible plans for us too.